Sleeves here, out for a day hike today. It's going to be a fun hike, and we are at the Hickory Creek Trailhead in the Cohutta Wilderness. I know we'll have a great day. I'm with a good friend of mine from church, so come on in and meet Daniel. Hey man.
How's it going?
Glad you're with me today. Hey, we're going to have a good hike, and I know we'll enjoy it, and we're going to show you some more of our hike. So I hope you stick with me. So this past summer we had a lot of wildfires in the Cohutta Wilderness. Thanks to the forest fires and a major storm that came through the area, there's trees everywhere. It almost looks like a bomb exploded. The wildfires were amazing this summer. I mean, they really destroyed a lot of this area. Kind of sad to see, but it's also part of the natural cycle. Daniel and I are wrapping up our hike in the Cohutta Wilderness. We recommend the trail, so you need to do it. You need to experience the Cohutta Wilderness and all of God's creation. It's an amazing place. So this is Sleeves. Keep hiking.